Hello, 6th class. Today, in your GK chapter 4, Young Scientist, we will be studying about health is wealth. As we all know that health is very important for a person's mind and body. A person is considered to be good health if he is physically fit and disease free. And for that, a person should take a balanced diet. Now, there are a lot of things which is required in a balanced diet. P for protein, F for fats, C for carbohydrate, B for vitamins, and M for minerals. So we are given some options. We have to choose there which one is which. If we take the first one, it is milk. So milk gives a lot of protein. Spinach gives us a lot of vitamins. Nuts gives us a lot of fats. Potato gives us a lot of carbohydrate. Eggs are rich in protein. Butter is giving a lot of fats. Legumes are again rich in minerals. And wheat, of course, and rice are carbohydrates. Now, there are certain other things given here which are related to disease with the part of the body. Cholera is basically a disease which is infecting small intestine. Caries are generally there in your teeth. Eczema is generally rashes on the skin. Conjunctivity, it's itching on your eyes. Alzheimer disease, it is there on brain. Jaundice attacks your liver. Scurvy is infecting the gums are bleeding, and pneumonia, of course, is infecting the lungs. In Young Scientist, next we will be studying about net terms. We all are using internet nowadays, studying and playing games and all that. So there are certain terms which we should be knowing. It is a computer system that hosts websites, web server, name given to temporary storage area. When we are doing graphic or store page cache, the term HTTP, generally being used, is a hypertext transfer protocol. Smaller computer program which is designed to help the server software is servlet. It's a program or a piece of code that's spread by first infecting files or system area of the computer. We call it virus. Sixth one, it is a computer network limited to immediate area, small area, or a building like that. We call it LAN, local area network. Seventh one, device that allows to send command to computer somewhere else, terminal. Copying and transferring data or a program from one own computer to some another computer, we call it upload. Ninth one, used with reference to World Wide Web, means single request which we are generally clicking and doing. It's a hit. Web-based system for searching the information available on the web, we call it search engine. Children, today we are going to study in chapter 5, India Unlimited, the presidents of India. We are being given certain names over here and the photos are being given. So for that you need to check who is there. The first photo is basically Dr. Rajendra Prasad, which is G. Second photo is about Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Then third photo which has been given is Zakir Hussain. Then the fourth photo is given about V.V. Giri. Then we got the fifth photo that is about Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. Then we got the sixth one is about Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Seventh one Gyani Jail Singh. Then eighth photo is of Ramaswamy Venkataraman. Then we are having our ninth photo, that is of Shankar Dayal Sharma. 10th photo is of K.R. Narayanan. 11th photo is about the missile man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Then 12th one is of Pratibha Patil. Then 13th one is of Pranab Mukherjee. And the 14th one is the present president of India, that is Ramnath Kovind. As we all know that India is governed by the constitution, and the Constitution of India is the lengthiest written constitution in the world. It was, as there are a lot of questions which have been given on the Constitution. First question is that Indian Constitution was adopted by Constitution Assembly on November 26, 1949. Main standing committee of Lok Sabha is both the above Committee of Public Account and Estimate Committee. The work of General Purpose Committee is to advise the Speaker. P.V. Narasimha Rao was the 10th Prime Minister of India. Full statehood was confirmed on Arunachal Pradesh by 55th Amendment of Constitution. In India, the governors of the states are appointed by the President. How many schedules did Constitution of India originally have? 8. Which of the following state legislature does not have two houses? Tamil Nadu. Who is empowered to declare a National Assembly emergency in the country? President of India. The Chief Justice of India is appointed by the President of India. We all know that Indians are known world over. There are a large number of Indians who have done great job in the field of medicine, physics, chemistry, bio, literature, peace. So for that they've been awarded Nobel Prizes also. So we are having the first one, Rabindranath Tagore, who been given Nobel Prize during 1913 for literature. Second, we are having C.V. Raman, who was being given Nobel Prize in 1930 for physics. Har Gobind Khurana, 1968 for medicine. Mother Teresa, 1979 for peace. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, 1983 for physics. Amrita Sen, 1998 for doing great work in economics.